Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set timer for taking photos in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, open camera in your phone. Usually, to take a photo, you will press this shutter button. Okay, immediately photo will be taken. But if you would like to set a timer for capturing image, what you go to do is go to this icon, timer icon here, and you can set a preset timer here. Okay, you can select from the preset option, that is 2 seconds, then 5 seconds and 10 seconds. So what you select, how much time you select, after completing the time, capturing will be done. For example, if you select 5 means your phone will take 5 seconds after pressing this shutter button to capture the image. I would like to capture this image, but after pressing this shutter button, it will count 5 seconds, and after 5 seconds, capturing will be done. Yes, it is completed. Okay, if you set to 10 second, 10 means 10 seconds will be taking. Okay, see here, 10 second is counting now. Yes, after 10 seconds only, capturing will be done. Yes, now it will be done. Okay, minimum you can set 2 seconds. Okay, only 2 seconds will take. Yes, so in this way you can easily set a timer for capturing photos taking through camera of your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.